Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, select this background layer and lock layer, select this hand and go to solo and go to anchor point. Let's move the anchor point down and clisation tool, unsolo, select hand layer and link to hand main. Select hand main and go to pen behind icon, move the anchor point down and clisation tool, select finger back, also select finger 1, 2, 3 and finger main, link to phone layer, select phone layer, link to hand layer and select layer display and let's link to phone layer. So in this time, select display, right mouse and pre-compose, add name display. And let's choose this choice and click OK. Let's open composition. OK, and let's select display composition, link to phone layer and select hand main, press R, let's see. OK, select hand main, hand layer and press R for both layers and chain rotation. Okay, so right now we can create keyframes for animate these hands. Select hand main, press R and chain rotation like this. And create rotation keyframe, change this 25, change this 50, go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press space down in keyboard and change this -25. Again, go to 10 keyframes, change 15. Again, 10 keyframes, change -7. Again, 10 keyframes, change 3. Again, change -1.5. Again, last keyframe, change 0. And select keyframes, make it easy. Right mouse, keyframe assistant, and easy. Or click F9. Let's see. And in this time, let's move down this hand layer for hide these parts. Let's move it down like this. Okay. And right now, let's press S, change scale for see full screen like this. Nice. Okay, so right now let's select this finger layer, finger main, and go to solo, move the anchor point down, and clisation tool and unsolo. And press R. Let's chain rotation like this. Go to first second and create rotation keyframe. Chain rotation like this. Go to here. Chain rotation like this. Again, next keyframe, chain rotation 3, and here change 0. And select keyframes, make it easy. Okay, this is much more natural. And select fingers, finger 3, and move the anchor point here, and finger 2, move to here, and finger 3, move to right like this. And select finger back, go to solo and move the anchor point down. And clisation tool unsolo. So press R, let's go to first second and create rotation keyframe and chain rotation like this. Go to next keyframe and change to left. And here for random keyframes and let's keyframe change 3 and make it easy. Okay, this is more dynamic. I like it. And fingers, let's select these 3 fingers. Go to first second, press R and create rotation keyframes. Go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation like this. Again, 10 keyframes, change to left again. And select rotation keyframes and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, and for random keyframes, select finger 2, move to right. And finger 3, move to right. Nice, very good. Also select rotation keyframes, move to right. okay, and also finger back, select keyframes, move to right. Okay, so in this time select all of them layers and close settings, and time to use puppet pin for finger main. Select finger main and go to here, select finger main and go to here, press U for see active keyframes. Okay, and create new rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation like this. Let's change 35 and go to again 10 keyframes, change like this. Again go to 5 keyframes, change to right, and next keyframe change 0 and select work area. Let's see. Okay, select last 3 keyframes, hold alt, move to right. Not bad. And in this time we can select this middle keyframe and move to right. Nice. And this, let's change -2 or -3, and next keyframe 0. Okay, that's good. And in this time go to here and puppet pin tool. Let's go to solo first one, add one puppet here, one here, and let's one here, and unsolo layers and go to next keyframe and move to and open mesh 1 and deforms and puppet pin 3. Let's open and move to down and move to down, go to next keyframe and move to left and up, and go to next keyframe, again move to down and move to right. Let's see. Okay, and let's keyframe, let's move to left, and let's keyframe again, move to down and right. Okay, not bad. Select keyframes, make it easy. And for dynamic movements, select hand main, clickation tool, and also finger main, press U for see keyframes, or let's press R, see only rotation keyframes, and hand main, and press R, create rotation keyframe, go to here, chain rotation 3, and next keyframe -3, and next keyframe change 2, and here -1, and let's keyframe 0, and let's see. Okay, that's good. And in this time let's open display compensation, select this megaphone, male, and magnifier, and animated checklist. Drag and drop into the compensation and press R, change scales, and let's put here, select this megaphone, let's move to down like this, or move to here, and male, move to down, and magnifier, move to down like this, and animate checklist. Let's change scale and go to solo, make masking, so let's create new null object, go to layer, new, and null object, and let's hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center, clickation tool, and move to center like this. Select all of them layers without display, link to null object, select null, and we can animate it like this. But first one, let's select these down layers, move to down, Okay, and magnifier and checklist. Move it down like this. And checklist. So let's back to hand main and let's see timing for animation. Okay, in this time we can use display, select null and press P, create new passing keyframe. Let's put to center like this. And here let's use these keyframes. Okay, select keyframes, make it easy. And go to graph editor, select this graph, move to left. And back to keyframe, select last keyframe, move to right. Let's see here. Okay, so in this time select display and go to rectangle mask tool and make masking like this. Clickation tool, let's see. Nice. Okay, so in this time let's select this background, Ctrl D for duplicate, change layer name grid. For beautiful backgrounds we can use grid. Let's go to FS Control, select fill, delete, go to FS presets, search grid and select grid, use for grid solid layer and change opacity. Okay, and size form with slider, change slider forms like this and go to again FS presets, search effect lens, CC lens effect, use for grid layer and change sizes. So in this time let's see full animation and select grid background, lock layers and select all of them layers, click for motion blur. Okay, and select these fingers. Let's add simple animations, press R and create rotation keyframes. Go to here, change rotation like this and here change to down. Again select this finger 2, move to right and finger 3, move to right. Okay, and finger back, press U and create rotation keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes, change rotation and next keyframe again and 0. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.